She's got her bolted right down to the
I started to, but all right. First time. Look at that. Give me your forging face. There it is. Okay.
I don't have any eye protection.
Stick smashing now. I'll just show the press.
Hardwood. We got the coal iron 12-ton press set up. Took us about 15 minutes. We used the lift to hoist it up on the pallet. We slid it right onto the bench, put 4 bolts in here. We're gonna put lag bolts in this one, and it's ready to go as you just saw. Oh my gosh.